Hi, today we're at Mantelli Sales again to try to do another walkthrough. We're going to be doing a Forest River Puma 22Fkc. Welcome, I'm Ron and Judy's behind the camera. Okay, today we're going to look at the Forest River 22Fkc. It's a Puma XLE, and we'll start out right at the front here, and we have the folding stairs that fold up inside. We won't do that again because we don't want gravel inside the camper. We have a full awning that goes pretty much the whole length of the camper. It's a power awning. Out here we have the furnace, and we have the back of your refrigerator, a big storage door. This is a 2-axle camper. Outside power. Some more storage. This storage goes in underneath the bed. We have a quick hookup for propane. We have manual stabilizer jacks. In the back we have your city water connection, an outdoor shower, and this would be where we fill up our fresh water tank. The camper again is wired for a backup camera. And here we have where we hook up our cable and satellite. We have a 30 amp That one's locked up. We have 2 propane tanks. And a rack to put the batteries. It has a manual jack for the front end. Okay. Solar on the side. Just inside the door, we have our little control panel. We have our kitchen right in the front end. Above the stove, we have a microwave oven. We have a 3-burner propane stove. The glass cover. And an oven underneath. In the front we have these cabinets that go across the front. We have a big farm sink with a drying rack on top. Big cabinet underneath. We have 2 drawers off onto the side. One that's separated for utensils already. It's all plywood. That's a pretty good sized pantry. You can see your power cord down below. Just off the kitchen we have the couch. It's folded down so that you have cup holders in the center. This is a jackknife sofa. You can see the table underneath that goes in front, or you can put it up into or take it outside with you. The refrigerator, Dometic, with a freezer on top. And it's a really good sized refrigerator. This is a gas and electric. There's a place that the TV goes on the front here. You have a DVD player and stereo system. A couple cabinets underneath. Coming down the hallway, we have the bathroom. It's a plastic toilet. It's a pretty good sized shower, corner shower. Medicine cabinet. And this has a bedroom in the back. Queen size bed. Quite the storage shelf up above, and a cabinet with a hanger on each side. This side is wired. I don't know if there's a USB on that side.
USB on this side, and there's outlets.
Yeah, so there's pretty much a pretty good size shelf for a CPAP machine. There's also a spot here for putting the television, or putting a television right here at the end of the bed. Okay, so this camper is wired for solar and Wi-Fi, and it is the Forest River Puma XLE 22Fkc. And if you're interested in this camper or want to know more about it, you can contact Mantelli Sales. Their link is in the description down below. If you like this, give a thumbs up. If you want to hear more about more reviews, give us some comments down below. Ask us some questions. We'll do whatever we can to help out. And thank you very much for watching. Bye.